That's what I used to do.
Look up here, bro.
And snails.
No, I didn't eat the snails.
Oh, Tirza?
That would have been Tirza or Mia.
Good girl,
I'd
put it in
say
your
dirt.
basket.
Yeah, Mia was trying to tell me we never put mud in her diaper. So that was Tirza only. I was like, no, you got mud in your diaper too.
And I'm sure all of them got
I'm
it.
like,
They
yeah.
just
Look, baby.
blocked it out. Tirza
Right
was
there.
gonna make fun of
Look.
Tirza was the first.
Look higher. Just take a look.
No, I don't know. Check the bushes really good.
Yay!
Yay! You did it. You did it.
She's got a little bracelet on too. You gotta check out her bracelet.
Where's she going now?
She looks so big with it on.
Jersey, where are you going?
She's like, there was a spot over there that had a bunch of candy, and I was sitting there.
Come on, let's go open it up.
Look at her eating candy, dude.
There's nothing to do. Jersey's coming to get you, so.
Come on. Come on, Easter.
Well, I don't see any more.
All right, you guys probably got them.
So this one's Jersey's.
As long as the HOA can't see them.
This one's Jersey's.
Oh, there you go. See, I told you.
Look at her. Look at her. She
Look
wants
at
it.
her. She wants it.
No.
Stealing candy from a baby? God,
Yeah, of course I am.
so proud of you, Soul.
You look in the too valuable.
Is he a candy thief?
Can't
Oh
help
my
myself.
god, I used to never give him candy.
Oh, look at she's cracked it open. She's trying to go for the candy.
On a holiday, I'd let him eat whatever the crap he wanted. And it was like once in a while he'd get a treat. And then once John and I would do it, he's like, like, no, you
Hey, don't be eating all that.
Hey, I just ate one.
What
I didn't eat any.
do you got in your mouth?
Nothing.
Jersey.
Dad, is there any more?
Boo, what are you eating?
Is there any more eggs? She's eating those M&Ms.